Lesson 2. Commitment's Best Frenemy, Adversity. You don't need self-discipline when things go smoothly. Few people give up dieting on the first day or stop workout schedules in the middle of the first workout. It's only when things get more difficult, when you no longer have the initial motivation, that you lose discipline and determination. People who are capable of dealing with adversity are better prepared to keep going despite the temptation to give up. A key technique to learn how to handle adversity is to willingly introduce it in your life and befriend it. When you become more comfortable with unfavorable circumstances, you'll be able to handle them better. One way to deal with difficulties is to remind yourself of their temporary nature. There's an old adage originating in the writings of 11th century Persian Sufi poets. They tell the story of a powerful king who asks wise men to create a ring that will lift his spirits when he's sad. The sages hand him a ring with the words, "This too will pass," etched on it. Abraham Lincoln incorporated the story in his address before the Wisconsin State Agricultural Society in Milwaukee on September 30th, 1859, saying, "It is said an Eastern monarch once charged his wise men to invent him a sentence, to be ever in view, and which should be true and appropriate in all times and situations. They presented him the words, 'And this too shall pass away.' How much it expresses! How chastening in the hour of pride! How consoling in the depths of affliction!" Each time you feel discouraged when trying any of the exercises or habits described in this course, use this simple trick to realign your perspective. Remind yourself your difficulties are temporary and that you will be able to deal with them. It sounds simplistic, but it's often reassuring. In addition to that, it's important to build an unwavering belief in success. While you can never attain 100% certainty you'll achieve your goals, you can take some steps to become more confident in yourself. The trick is to watch what others have done to accomplish the same goal and imitate them. By following a proven plan, you'll get rid of a lot of uncertainty that comes from following a rarely traveled path. If your goal is to lose weight, follow a diet with lots of genuine before and after photos and stories of fellow dieters. If you want to build a business, learn from experienced entrepreneurs who have helped hundreds of other new businessmen. If you want to acquire a certain difficult skill, learn it from someone who has a lot of experience teaching it. The knowledge that you're learning from someone who has achieved the same goal will reduce your self-doubt. You'll be traveling a proven path instead of wandering like a child lost in the woods. When you combine unwavering belief and commitment, and hold the proper mindset of, "This too shall pass," you'll have the basic tools to start building an iron-like resolve to keep going no matter the circumstances. With these fundamental keys in mind, let's move on to more specific exercises and habits you can introduce in your life to develop your own self-discipline.